Guys, I watched this movie, Reminders of Him. I must say it was very nice. I can give it like a 10 out of 10. So, what happened in this movie? It's about a couple. So, they went now on like some journey, and then it was the boyfriend's birthday apparently. So the girl went to go make an accident, and then the boyfriend now passed away, but she was pregnant. But then she ended up not in hospital, in jail for 6 years. So she apparently served the 6 years because of DUI, and then she got out of jail afterwards. And then afterwards, she wanted to now see her daughter because she gave birth whilst she was in jail and she never seen her daughter. But then one day, she also just got like a motel to live in when she got out of jail. And then it was stormy that one night. And then she went into this bar and then she saw this one guy, but he looked very familiar. That was the boyfriend's best friend apparently. But the boyfriend's best friend didn't know that it's her, the girlfriend of the friend. So apparently, one day she went to the house. She knew exactly where the granny and the grandfather lived, where her child is that she never seen. But then one day he was also there. The bar owner was also by the house. The bar owner actually lived opposite the granny and the grandfather. And then he grew very close to the child also. So he was like neighbors of the granny and the grandfather, and he grew very close with the child apparently there and the family and stuff like that. And then he looked out the window and then he said like, why are you here? Like, why is Kenna there, the girlfriend? And then apparently what he did, he just went out and he's like, but are you not my best friend's ex-girlfriend or something like that? And then she's like, yes, but I want to see my child. And she wanted to storm into the house. So she said, but I want to see my child for years now and I couldn't because I was in jail and now I just came out. So how do you know them? And then so he said, no, I'm like basically neighbors of them. So I grew very close to the child. The child's inside there, but you're not going in there by the house because the parents was obviously angry about what the girlfriend did and stuff like that. And then she went home like normal and she was actually very upset like. But they eventually like fell in love. The best friend and the girlfriend of the one that died, they fell like in love. And then the grandparents found out that the best friend and the girlfriend fell in love, and it's a whole drama thing. And then one day the bar owner just said, no, I'm gonna go to the house and I'm gonna give that letter that you wrote and show that you're very sincere, the inner Kenneth, the girlfriend. And so they started thinking about it, and then the granny came to Kenneth's house to apologize and stuff and said that she can come see the child. And then yeah, it was just very nice. And then she grew close to the child, and the child eventually came to come love by the bar owner and by the girlfriend, by the mommy apparently. So it's just a very nice movie, I must say.